But I need a work makeup look. Alright, I'm gonna help you. A lot of you don't want to wear color to the office, and relax, I understand. Keep in mind, remember who I am, and this was my face at 9 a.m. at a Jewish dental office. Listen, even the rabbis loved me. And for my brows, I still go in a dip brow. Some say I'm stuck in 2016. I just say you're a hater. You're just drawing a line under your brow and then you're connecting everything. And they're never twins, so we have to carve them. Let me tell you something. Even if you don't know how to do makeup, if you carve your brows, people are gonna think you're a professional. And now you look like a professional. I don't want to say you would be stupid to leave that part out, but you would be. Make sure you're dragging down your concealer or putting some type of primer because we're putting on eyeshadow. Going with the eyeshadow, I am gonna lightly dust over some loose powder on my lid. It's gonna help you with blending. Today I'm going in with one of the new Morphe palettes. This is more of a warm tone palette. If you guys want cool tones, let me know because I have that also. I'm gonna start with this shade right here. I'm gonna bring her all the way up to almost your brow bone. Now I'm going to deepen her with the shade right underneath with a smaller brush. Listen, I know I talk a lot of shit about shit brown on the eyes, but it's just because I got sick of everybody making believe that's the only color that exists. Just because I'm keeping it neutral, don't get it twisted. We're still keeping it smoky. I am going to deepen this quite a bit. I'm going to go in this shade right here. Make sure you're going back in with the first brush. That way things actually blend together. I'm going to take a small brush like this, go into the black, and I'm kind of make like a fake eyeliner. Easiest way to do this, you're just going to stamp it along your lash line. Then you're going to lightly flick her out. Why is there always one eye that got to blink more than the other eye? Trying to sabotage me. Right now it's looking something like this. I am going to go in with this eye base and lightly cut the crease. You don't got to do this part. I'm just being extra. You see how that bright in the eye? So all you little coworkers and friends could think you actually get sleep at night. The shimmers in that palette's not doing it for me, and I really care about my shimmer. So I'm going to go into these palettes right here. Thinking about going into this one. It looks like you got little stars on your eyes. Take this light shade right here. I'm just going to brighten up the inner corner. You know you're not going to get natural out of me. It looks like shit right now, but we're going to clean it with a Q-tip. Mind your business. It's my face, not yours. Gonna go right underneath that eyeliner. He looks a little bit softer. Still gonna pop in liner because I actually want to see my eyes looking lighter than this color right here. If you like, you could just keep it on the top. You don't gotta take it to the bottom, but I'm gonna take it everywhere. I'm gonna go in with these Lily lashes. They're heat activated. You don't even need glue, and I'm a lazy bitch, so I'm popping her on. Looks like I'm gonna work at Maybelline headquarters, so I'm gonna go try the viral Shelby and face routine. So if you want to check out that video, that's gonna be a separate video. So don't complain, you're still gonna get the results here. Alrighty, I'm all done, and I'm gonna be honest, is this everybody's work look? Probably not. You gotta admit, this is really toned down for me, as I'm saying that with a full face beat. As long as you're doing the brown with the smoky and the eyeliner, I could get on board. But if you're just doing it with the fucking skin tint, no, get it out of my face right now. Please, get it, gone! But make sure you keep picking up the phone, because we're trying to be bad bitches all summer long, right? Yeah, so follow along, hang out with me, and we'll talk all day, because that's what I do. I love you, my whole bags. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.